Hi, this is Dr. Fryer. Today's January the 31st, 2022, and this is an overview of our final video project for our Froot Loop Conspiracy Theory unit, where we have been looking at the Apollo moon landings and YouTube videos and learning about the SIFT framework and how we can decide what to believe. In the upper right corner of this assignment in Google Classroom, you're going to see two things that are your work. There is a document and a slideshow, and I'm going to open up the slideshow first. You also have some resource links down here to Unsplash, where you can find additional pictures, Adobe Creative Cloud Express, or CC Express, that used to be called Adobe Spark Video, and that's the login page. And then I've given you a folder of pictures that you can use if you want to, and then also a Jamboard where we're going to be brainstorming ideas. But let's go ahead and open up the slideshow first, which is going to give you an overview of the project. So I'm going to go ahead and just present this. So this is our culminating project. This is worth 50 points, along with your oral history project that you did with your interview of a family member. This is your biggest grade. And so I've given you a couple things here for step one. We're going to do this in class. I'm not going to do it right now, but I want you to look at the example video that one of the sixth graders, Keiko, last year created. I'm not sharing this with you because I want you to make a video just like she did. She did a nice job, but I want you to share your ideas, and I'm giving you some places where you can get ideas that other students have brainstormed for what to put into this final video. And so this link right here is to the Jamboard, and we're going to do that in class and brainstorm some of those. But you can click on any of these, like if you want to see spring 2021 student ideas, click on this, and so there's all these different ideas that different students have contributed. So this is just part of the brainstorming process, and this is a way for you to get ideas. All right? Step two is you're going to work on your script, and the script is that second piece of work that's here in this Google Classroom assignment. We're going to open it up in just a second, and this is like the other scripts that we've done for this project. You're going to be editing the script and putting in your own words, and this is going to be the important thing you do first before you get to the video part. All right? Then you're going to use Adobe Express Video, and I'm going to make a separate video explaining just an overview of how to use that, but this is a free website. You just go to express.adobe.com. They have free pictures there inside the program, but you can also use Unsplash, or you can use the images that I've provided. Let me just show those to you really quick. Here in Google Classroom, if you click on SIFT Images, and you open this up, instead of viewing this as a list, I would go up to the corner and click on seeing these as thumbnails. And these are all Unsplash, and some of them are directly from NASA pictures. Some of these are slides that I've saved as pictures that we've used from our slideshows for this unit. You can use any of these. And so if I wanted to use, for instance, this magnifying glass image, I can go ahead and click on it and then choose the download link in the upper right corner, and I can bring that into my project. Okay, so those are some of the resources that you have. So after you make your video, you're going to make a public link to it that you're going to put here, and then you're also going to share that into Seesaw. So that's kind of the overview of the whole project and what you're going to do. The last thing I want to do is open up the script, and this is in Google Classroom underneath your work. And when you open this up, this is just like the other scripts that we've done. I have a link to the Jamboard here as well for you. For getting ideas, but here in the yellow spots, this is what you're going to fill in. For your introduction, you're going to decide what your main big ideas are, and so big idea number 1 is right there, 2 and 3. And if you want to describe the picture that you think you might use to go with that, you can go ahead and write that in, but you'll want to get the pictures later. Remember, I've given you all these pictures in this folder that you can use. You can also find them yourself, but you need to get your script done first, okay? So that is the overview of our final project. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing the excellent ideas that you're going to be sharing about SIFT and the Apollo moon landings, and how it is that we can use lateral reading and other strategies to figure out what sources to believe and who is credible when it comes to information that we find online.